Hi, this is BJ Schrader and Wendell Young with McWane Technical Services. We're going to show you how to cut this piece of 4-inch cast iron soil pipe using the Milwaukee M18 Super Sawzall reciprocating saw. This one's equipped with a carbide tooth blade that's used for cutting thicker steel. You want to use this sort of tool whenever you're in a tight access space like a remodel. Also remember, always wear your PPE like helmet, ear protection, eye protection, gloves, and steel toe boots. Wendell's going to cut this pipe for us. And that's how you get a good, clean, square cut using the Sawzall from Milwaukee.